tucked away, all safe and tidy. Use the BMW Luggage compartment partition net to separate and secure items in your luggage compartment. It can be set up with the seats folded up or down. Let's go. When the seats are folded up, open the rear fixing points in the roof. Unfold the luggage compartment partition net. Insert the pins and press them forward as far as they go. Hook the two upper hooks into the two eyes on the rear seat backrest, making sure the hooks are facing forward. Fold up the lower part and hook the lower hook into the retaining tabs. Need more space? When the rear seats are folded down, use the fixing points in the front to insert the pins of the compartment partition net. Again, make sure to press them forward as far as they go. Unfold the net and attach it with the two lower hooks to the two eyes on the rear backrest. Lift the rear backrest to make attaching easier. Done! You can fold up the luggage compartment partition net. Place the upper bar on the lower bar and close the press studs. To store it underneath the compartment floor.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?